Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can make banana smoothie with yogurt very easily. Here we have taken banana and some yogurt. We are going to show you live that how you can make tasty and healthy banana smoothie. First of all, take an empty pan and now you have to add a banana in this pan by cutting it into small pieces. After this, take some fresh yogurt. You have to add approximately 5 to 6 spoon of yogurt in this. Now you have to add 1 spoon of honey in it, and now with the help of hand grinder you have to make it in a smoothie form like this we are doing. You can also do this in a mixer grinder, but we are using hand grinder. See, it's almost ready. Now take an empty glass. If you want, you can also add ice cubes in it. Smoothie is generally thicker than shake like this. It's almost ready. Now you can serve this smoothie. It's better to serve it chilled. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.